Welcome back, folks, to another episode of introducing new past speakers for this year's Past Data Community Summit. And this week, I'm being joined by Dennis. Dennis,
Hello,
how are you and who are you?
I'm very fine. How are you?
I'm doing well. Tell us a little bit about yourself.
Uh,
What do you do in your day job? What is your data profession? Assuming that you're a data professional, given the conference that we're both going to attend
I
this
I
November.
am I am. I'm also working with data. My name is Denis Selimovic. I live in Switzerland. Originally, I'm from Germany. Um, I'm in Switzerland since 10 years. I work with Power BI since the beginning. I was recently awarded as a MVP. And in my everyday,
Congratulations.
thank you very much. And in my everyday life, I work as a principal consultant for Betelligent, what is a consultancy company focused only on data. Everything we do everything around data, and in Switzerland mainly with Power BI.
Well, first of all, a big thank you to your employer because you're the second one in this series that mentions Betelligent explicitly, which also shows how important it is to have companies actually supporting
Yeah.
that community journey of their employees. I know you've been at last year's summit, so this is going to be the second in-person summit for you. So you have a little more ideas of what to expect. Is there anything in particular you're looking forward to, besides, of course, being a first-time presenter at this event?
Yeah, absolutely. I mean, last year was my first time at the pass. I wanted to go before COVID, but of course I didn't go. Then the pandemic happened, and so last year I had a chance again. And actually, I was surprised quite a lot. So I first thought the sessions will be my highlight, but actually the community is really the highlight. You meet so many people. You've seen YouTube videos, read their blogs. You had them in communities, and then you meet them all in person. You exchange. Everyone is so welcoming, and I had so great exchange and discussions. And actually, I'm looking forward for this reason mainly for the exchange and the community. Of course, also the sessions. Of course, my session. But except for this, really the community is a big advantage at the pass, and I'm really looking forward for that.
I couldn't agree more. But speaking of your session, what is your session about?
About Power BI, obviously. So my title is the Pareto Principle of Power BI: Few Tricks, Big Wins. And like most things in life, also in Power BI, you can, with a few tiny principles that you follow, you can improve your report by a lot. I would split it down as it's a lightning talk into smaller sections, like data modeling, what you should do there, DAX measures, um, yeah, few areas, and I will always focus on the most important tips that give you the biggest advantage and impact for your for a successful reporting.
Sounds great. Very much looking forward to see you in Seattle this November, seeing all our other friends there. So we see you in person this November at the Past Data Community Summit.
Looking forward for it.